This is a download from BBC Learning English. To find out more, visit our website.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob. Feifei, why's your hair wet? It's not raining, is it?
No, Rob. I've just been for my swimming lesson. It was a bit scary, actually.
Oh, why's that?
Well, for the first time, I swam into the deep end and couldn't stand up. The lifeguard had to jump in and save me.
Oh dear, Feifei. It sounds like you were out of your depth.
Yes, I suppose I was.
Well, I'm out of my depth too.
What? You're learning to swim too?
No, I'm struggling to complete this project about statistics that the boss has asked me to do. I know nothing about statistics and numbers. It's just too difficult and I just can't do it. So I'm out of my depth.
I've got it. When you're out of your depth, it can mean you're in a difficult situation that you cannot cope with. It could be because a task exceeds your knowledge or ability. So it's a bit like drowning in a situation, but not literally.
Exactly. Let's hear some examples.
I'm so out of my depth in this new job. I haven't got a clue what to do.
When everyone started talking about politics, I knew I was out of my depth. So I politely made my excuses and went home.
He was clearly out of his depth in the match. He lacked any skill and couldn't even pass the ball.
This is The English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the phrase out of your depth. It describes a situation that is too difficult for you and you do not have the knowledge or ability to cope with it. Well, Rob, I may be able to save you. I love statistics and can help you out.
Oh, that's great. And I can help you improve your swimming.
Oh, yes? How can you do that?
You can borrow my armbands, so you'll never sink, even in the deep end. You'll never be out of your depth again.
Thanks, but I think I should learn to swim properly. Anyway, when do you need to complete this project for the boss by?
Now?
Oh, come on then. We had better go and get on with it. Otherwise, the boss will throw you in the deep end. Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.